Connect with like-minded AHK users in our private chat, helping each other out and sparking ideas that make scripting way more fun. Unlock weekly live sessions totaling 3 hours. Expert guidance, troubleshooting, and interactive learning to make AHK mastery a breeze. Want it.
Then do you copy it to your phone to listen?
What I do, let me see if I can do it here. So I bought Plex, and I'm not going to open this because I have a lot of other stuff.
Mhm.
But movies and stuff. But I have this folder synced with Plex. So Plex is on my phone, right? So I can listen to all of this stuff or watch the movies or whatever from Plex on my phone, or all of our TVs in our house are all connected as well, right? So it's really cool.
What is Plex?
It's a well, they have different versions, but it can, like, for me, it's a server. Let me see if I can let me
Sounds like a playlist.
well,
It's a media server.
Yeah,
pause.
media server, private media server.
Yeah, that's a good way to
It's
yeah.
like a local Netflix.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Let me open this so I can just make sure I don't have other crap that I have a lot of movies, but here's my books. There we go. So let's now go back to sharing. So these are my audio books I have in here, right, that I bought over the years that I could listen to. And then I just added my folder for NotebookLM, and this
Wait,
You're not sharing.
yeah, you're
really
not.
I hit that's weird. Sorry. That's weird. Because I paused sharing and then I said anyway, whatever. So here's the inside Plex, and this is I have a whole movies folder and music and TV shows, right? And my books. So these are all the books I listen to. And what I like, at first it didn't let me do it, but the library, I can organize it by folder. But see how it says scan library files? I also have it automatically scanning, so it'll automatically once an hour, I think, go check to see if I have anything new there. So this notebook folder, I don't have to go and add it here. It's watching my hard drive for me and just adding them. And then on my phone, there's a tool, there's the Plex player, but there's also a thing called Plex Amp. I don't know why it's Amp, but the Plex Amp is much more of a podcast player. It's really built, I think, for audio file stuff. So that's how I can put it on my computer and then listen to it from my phone. Even if I'm not like via Wi-Fi, right? It somehow has put it on the internet where I can be anywhere.
So Plex is like a broadcaster?
Well, I'm just trying to be careful on how you say that, right? Because it's you know how NBC and CBS and radio, TV stations, those are quote unquote broadcasters, right? You can't say, oh, I want to start NYPD Blue right now. You can go see if they're broadcasting NYPD Blue. I can go look at where it is in that process, right? But like Netflix, you can say, I want to watch this thing, and it starts streaming that thing, right? So it streams it to me, right? It's not going everywhere. Although there might be a way to do it. I might be able to say, hey, Irfan, let's watch this movie together and we could both play it in the same time. I don't know if I've never looked at that, right? But it wouldn't surprise me if, because I know Netflix, you can have group parties and watch movies on Netflix with other people, in other rooms, right? Or other places.
So you've got the book on your computer and you want to listen to it on your phone?
Right.
So,
Right.
so we should do a hero party and watch a movie.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Does it use how does it stream? Wi-Fi or
It
No, well, my
creates
phone's
a
not
tunnel into the internet to your phone.
right. Right. Yeah. Because I can listen to it anywhere.
you should have a hero hour where you just show us all these things that you do.
Yeah.
That's amazing, this stuff.
Oh, it's really, I didn't buy it until recently, but because you can subscribe month to month and it's $8, something like that. It wasn't crazy. I think maybe it was a little bit less, but you can also do a one-time payment And so I was waiting for a sale, and then they had, I forget what I paid, like 250 or 300, but it's lifetime. Like it's, now I don't have any more payments, right? And I hate recurring payments. I tell that to you guys who are recurring paying, but when I can make an investment and just buy something, I did subscribe for like 3 months to go, do I like this? Right. And, I was blown. Oh, I see. Hold on. Let me think of how.
Videos on YouTube are for Plex, and it'll explain everything for you.
Yeah. Good point, Jeff.
Regarding what you said about monthly charges, I ran across this Alfred OS, and what does he say here? Cost savings replaces $1,000 plus per month in SaaS subscriptions with open source equivalents. Oh, okay, it's open source equivalents.
Oh, you know what I also didn't mention in Plex is
Plex.
which I never use. Let me share my screen. There's also Jellyfin, I think, which is a nearly free equivalent. But
Yeah,
if
it's
you
a
go to
fork
like
of the
live,
original,
what's that?
it's a fork of the original open source
Oh,
project.
okay. But if you go to live TV, they have an insane amount of content that you can watch. Now it'll probably have commercials in it, but it's crazy what you could watch in there. And you can search as well to try to find what you want, right? But yeah, their live TV or Discover, it'll help you understand what's available.
Does it have sports?
I would
Like
sure think so.
baseball?
Sports. Yep.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
And if you get like an HD home run device, you can actually record your local over the air channels too.
Cool. All right. Well, we're over time, but yeah, I've been blown away with how much I love Plex. Like I mentioned it a couple times in the Hero group, just saying, but I didn't go into depth of like, how it works and stuff. But it's really, I don't know what rental. I don't think I've ever rented something. Apparently, you can even rent stuff. I think Discover just shows you.
So how do you get to live TV?
You just click the live TV.
But I've searched
This is
live
all.
TV. I've
The
searched.
side is all customizable, Ray. So mine might be different than because I had to go add mine because I don't even look at the other stuff. I just look at mine.
Oh, live TVs inside of Plex. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a whole bunch of channels you can view over the internet from their servers, or you can also add another device so that you can record over the air TV from your local channels
Cool.
in addition.
Wow. That's good. That's hot stuff.
All right, everyone.
Okay.
Have a
thank
great
you.
weekend. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Explore our huge library of 466 plus hours of recorded AHK tutorials. Watch, rewind, and master tricks at your own pace. Grab 25% off all our AHK goodies, courses, scripts, and custom work so you save cash while building your toolkit like a boss